This is Solana in 1 minute. Visit Solana's homepage and you'll see a transaction counter blurring through transactions faster than your eyes can register. Speed is why they call themselves an ETH killer. Sol, the governance token for Solana, is trying to be the fastest blockchain in the world and is one of the fastest growing ecosystems in crypto, with thousands of projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3 and more. Solana's consensus mechanism is based on both proof of stake and proof of history, allowing blazingly fast transaction settlement, though this is not without compromise. Countless applications have been built on Solana so far, with validator nodes processing thousands of transactions per second for a fraction of a penny per transaction. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Solana. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.